Jomtien Beach. Is almost 20 past 6 in afternoon. Beautiful lady and beautiful area. It's very nice. It will be closed in half an hour here, and there is some sparrow, very nice sparrow here, and what is called the jet ski. It's very nice. And there is some people in there. I think they take the seafood from the sea. They catch some. He got some basket and one bucket. So I think he catch something. And these people on the banana tube. Yeah. And this is lovely sunset. Fantastic view. It's very nice. Beautiful view.